Hey guys, welcome to the Corner Coffee YouTube channel. My name is Kelsey and I'm going to be sharing with you some updates we have this winter season. First off, we have a few new holiday drinks that we're adding to our menu this season. The first one is an oatmeal chocolate chip latte. It is delicious. It's made with Ritual chocolate, which we've used in the past, and you will truly enjoy it. It's got a little bit of salt to finish it off, and it's made with oat milk. The second drink is the peppermint chocolate milk cold brew. Now, if you've been around Corner Coffee for any length of time, you have probably tried the chocolate milk cold brew. If you have not, it is delicious. So we're adding it to the holiday menu with a little bit of a twist. We're adding a little bit of peppermint to it, adding a little bit of a garnish on top, and it is one of my favorites. I have a weakness for peppermint. And then the third drink is the eggnog chai. We are using the Autumnwood eggnog. It's so good. It tastes like a snickerdoodle cookie in milk form, and we're mixing it with our house-made chai. It's got a little spice to it, some sweetness. It's a nice balanced drink. It is just pure deliciousness. Now, I mentioned the oatmeal chocolate chip latte has oat milk in it, and we now have oat milk at Corner Coffee. So if you've been asking for oat milk recently, we have been listening and we've got it. We are using Minor Figures oat milk, which is really good. It's got a little bit of an oaty flavor to it, but a nice texture. It steams up just like milk does. It's super good if you're looking for a milk alternative. Highly recommended. And we've also partnered with Hay Straws. So now you can get Hay Straws in place of a plastic straw. If you have used paper straws before, this is nothing like it. This hay straw will not disintegrate in your drink like a paper straw does, but if you don't want to use plastic, this is a great alternative. Completely biodegradable. Pick it up at any of our locations. We've got them alongside our plastic straws. We are so excited to share this holiday season with you guys. We are getting festive around here. We've got some decor coming in. We've got some ornaments around. And so we're just so excited to serve you guys this season. I hope you have a wonderful December. We're looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye, guys.